and take a look at this angle finder here. These things are super handy, especially on a table saw or something like that. It comes in this box here. Of course, you have a nice carry case and a charging cable, and of course the instructions. Now, what I like about this, it has a few different options here for you. One, it has your power on button, of course. If you set it down and you're trying to use this as your 0 point and then find your angle from there, you can go ahead and zero it out. And then when you start tipping it, you're getting your readout to see what your angle is. So if you want to make sure something's flat, even if that little bit of elastic band underneath there, you can see it's reading that that measurement right there. You can also, if it goes too far out of whack, it will give you an error message. It's beyond its capability of reading. It also has a laser on both sides. So if you push this button again, you're going to see we get a laser. The first time you push it, you get a laser on one side. Second time you push it, and the laser is on the second side. And if you push it a third time, the laser is on both sides. So really cool. So then if you put that down and you have your angle, you can really see exactly where that laser is pointing. For example, if I put it like this, you can see the laser on the box there. And then again, it's giving you that angle at the same time. So just a really handy tool for sure, mainly for figuring out angles on different things. So a real bunch of different uses you can use this for. Very simple to use. It is rechargeable. You got the port back here to charge it. But yeah, just a very good tool for finding out the angle of something. If you want to know if it's, if it's true, or if it's tipped up at 45 or whatever degree it might be tipped at, then you can use this to find that. Very, very easy. So a super handy tool, definitely going to come in handy, especially on the table saw. If you're trying to make cuts and you want to make your blade angled to a certain degree, then this is going to help make sure you have a nice accurate angle and you are good to go. Now, this company was nice enough to send this out to me so I could find, so I could do a review and kind of show you what it's all about. And I really appreciate it. I want to thank them for sending out. These things are really handy. I use these type of things all the time, and definitely going to find a lot of good use for this one as well. So I want to thank them again, and I hope this short video helps you out and you can determine whether or not this is right for you. But it gets 2 thumbs up in my book for sure.